Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I go by One Cheap Compadre, and you're watching One Cheap Compadre TV. On my channel, basically we talk about investing, saving, politics, and also sometimes, if I get a chance, story time. That pretty much sums up all of the topics all together to give you a better understanding of pretty much what's going on in current events. So, today's topic, I will be talking about the hype. And what I mean by hype is what is pretty much bringing up certain stocks in the stock market. Okay? So basically, I'm going to be talking about the hype is driving the stock market, not luck. Everywhere you look, someone is telling you to buy gold, Bitcoin, Tesla. I know a lot of people feel that they're making good, sound decisions when investing in the stock market, but in actuality, majority of the time, many of these stocks are pretty much being talked up to make sure that particular stocks are doing a certain amount of percentage in a upward position or upward movement to allow for more people, especially those who are new to investing, to buy in to the hype, which brings up that particular stock. Now, it's been going on for the last couple of weeks. You heard about it, Hertz, where you have people who are new to invested in companies, especially companies who are bankrupt, like Hertz, like some of the airline companies, and pretty much they're trying to hype up these companies so people who are new to investing to buy into them, so they can be left with the bag. So they can be left with the bag, and the ones who caused them to buy into that particular stock are now sitting on more cash than they can dream of. And I think the same thing is starting to happen for these particular stocks. Gold. It's like everywhere you turn, especially on social media, everyone's talking about buying gold. Buy gold, buy gold. Is a perfect material coinage that will get you through this particular pandemic, this crisis. Then you have Bitcoin, where they've been hyping that for the last couple of years now. I think with Bitcoin, that particular stock was hot for a few minutes when it first came out, but now I think it's pretty much saturated, and people who are new to investing are starting to get into it and realizing that they're losing their shirts. And then you have Tesla, where they say that its value is more than Toyota, even though Toyota is selling more cars. So how is that possible? But you could probably say, hey, you know what? Tesla is putting satellites into orbit from their SpaceX spaceship to having not just cars, but also solar panels to for liberators to you name it. So these companies are starting to get a large following, and it's causing everything that people are looking for, those investors who want to manipulate the stock market and take advantage of new investors. So, is it luck? I wouldn't necessarily call it luck. What I would do is probably call it more of hype from those individuals who want more people to buy in to particular stocks, so the money will be able to double, triple, make people more wealthy in a time of crisis right now. So tell me what you think. Do you think this is stocks that are being hyped up, or is it luck? If you think that one of these answers is the answer to that question, put your comment at the bottom. Tell me what you think. Become a subscriber. Make sure you hit that bell for my latest content. Make sure to destroy that thumbs for allowing for my channel to be highlighted where more people are able to see it. All right, so until next time, have a great day.